If you have heard the news recently or have been to any of your social media platform, you would have known that Meta has launched a new platform to compete Twitter and it's called Threads. Not Threads, Threads. So in today's video, we will dissect the information around why Meta needed to create this platform at the first place, what it means for you as a user or an influencer, will it really kill Twitter, and if you are an investor, should you start stacking on Meta stock? So let's get started. Let's quickly go through why Meta needed to create this platform at the first place. As per this CNN article, even with Facebook and Instagram as a strong platform, Meta felt that they are lacking real-time conversations, which has been Twitter's core selling point. Also, Meta has stacked up a lot of bad PR by focusing on the metaverse since early 2022 and 2023, and because of that, the investors are not really happy about it, so probably they would have thought that they need something simple to present, and that's probably why they pivoted to Threads. Threads is very easy to understand because probably it's an inspiration from a well-known social media platform called Twitter. They're getting free rivalry PR on all the news channels and social medias, and most important piece, they already have a large user base they can transfer. Unlike Metaverse, which is futuristic and it's very difficult for people to understand right now. Now let's understand what it means for you as a user. Even though you might be previously connecting with your favorite influencers over the comments in the Instagram, they were quite hidden most of the times and discussions were not streamlined. So with this platform, the good thing is you will not only waste your time on Instagram following those celebrities, but you'll also waste your time on Threads following those celebrities. And finally, if you love Instagram, conversations will just get easier with this new platform. Now let's bring in the elephant in the room. Not literally. Will Threads app really kill Twitter? Let's dig deeper into the numbers here. Twitter has around 400 to 500 million active users and it generates around $3 to $5 billion of annual revenue through ads. And it might have increased after they launched the verified blue tick. Instagram, on the other hand, is a giant with more than 2 billion active users and generates more than $40 billion in annual revenue through ads. So definitely Instagram has a larger user base to transfer. The overlap of Twitter users on Instagram is around 86%, but the Instagram users on Twitter is around 60%, which means that people who use Twitter are most likely to use Instagram, but the other way is probably not that great. It also means if Instagram launched something like Twitter, which it already did, it's highly likely that people will start using that app over time. Now let's understand how it will help influencers. Because Threads is a part of Instagram, they don't need to purchase another verified blue tick box again, and they can save their $7 to $10 they spent on Twitter. And they don't need to worry about growing fan following on a completely different platform. Now that the Instagram is linked with Threads, they can just tell their fans to follow them on Threads, and because most of the users on Instagram will start using the Threads app, it will be easier for followers to start connecting with their influencers on Threads. But Twitter is way ahead when it comes to providing features to its users. It not only provides text-based and image-based post options, but it also provides audio broadcast, videos, polls, third-party apps integration, and so much more. Now I know you might say, Threads can do that too. Meta has a great engineering team and it won't take them long, right? That's something we'll see how much time it takes for Threads to catch up with Twitter on this. Now coming back to our question, will Threads kill Twitter? It has a very high potential to give a strong competition to Twitter due to the overlap of users, a wide variety of users already available on Instagram, and it has cleared out on right timing. Just because Twitter has recently launched a new blocking feature which does not allow anyone without signing up to see the tweets. But even with all this, it won't be easy because the average age of people who are using Twitter is slightly higher than that of Instagram, and around 48% of the people who are using Twitter have claimed that they use Twitter for news. So we'll see if Threads changes that. Before we go into the final section, if you are enjoying this video, I would really appreciate if you could like this video, and please consider subscribing to the channel if you are interested in finance related YouTube videos. Now let's jump into the finale question. If you are an investor, should you stack on Meta shares? Well, if you are actively following the market, you must already know that Meta has rallied up to 250% from its bottom this year. So it might not be a new invention considering that the app is not a new invention and the user base has an overlap with the Twitter as well. And we might not be getting a lot of new users because most of the users are been picked from the Instagram. But it's still a good stock if you are interested in companies who are doing a lot of innovations and if you want to invest in a company which is doing heavy lifting in the tech sector. But hey, please be mindful. I'm here to entertain you guys and not to advise on the stock picks. So please do your own research. Now I hope you got all the information you needed around the Threads app and it will help you in making your investing decisions. And I also hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you did, I have a really special video here for you which you might enjoy. So please do watch that. And for me, I'll see you in the next one.